In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust opacity settings within DaVinci Resolve, a vital tool for anyone looking to fine-tune the visual aspects of their video editing projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into video editing, understanding how to manipulate opacity can significantly impact the flow and aesthetic of your final product. To begin, you'll want to open up DaVinci Resolve on your computer. This software is one of the most powerful and versatile in the industry, offering a wide array of features for editing, color correction, audio post-production, and more. Once you have DaVinci Resolve open and your project loaded, you're going to look for the Inspector panel. This panel is typically located on the right side of your screen. If it's not visible, you can easily activate it by clicking the Inspector button in the toolbar above the timeline. Within the Inspector, you're going to focus on two specific sections: drop, shadow, and background. These allow you to tweak various visual elements such as opacity. Opacity, in simplest terms, defines how transparent your image or video clip is. This feature is particularly useful if you're aiming to create overlays or blend multiple video clips in a subtle, seamless manner. Now, within the drop, shadow, and background sections, you should notice the opacity controls. By default, these might be set to 100%, which means that your image or video clip is fully opaque, showing no transparency. To adjust the opacity, simply click and drag the slider to your desired level. If you drag the slider to the left, you will decrease the opacity, making the clip more transparent. Conversely, dragging it to the right will increase opacity, making it less transparent. Adjusting opacity can be particularly handy when you're dealing with multi-layer video projects. For instance, if you have a title graphic over footage, altering the opacity of the background can ensure that your text remains legible without completely obscuring the imagery behind it. Moreover, the drop shadow feature lets you add depth and dimension to your elements, which can enhance the overall visual storytelling of your work. And with that, you're essentially done. Making these adjustments might seem small, but they can contribute greatly to the aesthetic value of your project, allowing elements to integrate and interact more harmoniously. Take some time to experiment with different opacity levels to find what best suits your creative vision. Remember, the world of video editing is one where even small tweaks can lead to significant artistic impact. By understanding and implementing these adjustments, you're on your way to mastering the art of video editing, one detail at a time. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Keep practicing and experimenting with these settings to see how they can transform your projects.